What's up, guys? We're back here again with Tabby's car. We brought it back in. We finished it up last week. We went ahead and installed the Novitec springs, as you guys can see. Looks super nice on this car, rides amazing. Also, the HRE wheels already got installed. He wanted it for the weekend, so we had him take it home. He just brought it back to us. We're now going to install the full IP exhaust. Chris is going to go ahead and do that for you guys. Also going to do a tune as well and BMC filters. So this thing's going to sound amazing, going to run super nice. Stay tuned. Thing's going to sound killer, guys. Alright guys, so that we can take a better look, Chris went ahead and unboxed the full system so we can take a better look at it. So this is a full IP system that we're going to be installing on this F12. It is Valvetronic, so you do have the option to open and close the valves, something Tabby always asks for. Just whenever he's in the car, you know, he wants to be on the phone, you can go ahead and put the valves on, and then, you know, when he wants to go ahead and step on it, definitely open it up. Definitely stay tuned, like I told you guys, things going to sound killer. Can't wait to hear it. Oh, Tico! You hiding from me? No. What have you done all day, bro? Stop making it seem like you're working. I know you haven't done anything all day. Why are you riding on the box? It's the same box you were riding on 2 hours ago.
I heard you guys coming, so I had to actually go do stuff.
Oh, yeah, I figured.
What are we bringing today?
I don't know, you tell me. What are we boxing today?
A bunch of stock stuff.
The one that you've been boxing since the morning?
No, that's the other one.
Nah, that's the one from the morning.
Same box.
Nah. That's what it is. I saw you.
There's cameras? You got many cameras?
Of course. you guys just heard this thing. Sounds amazing. Thank God Tabby went ahead and got the Valtronic system because it is way too loud for me. We also went ahead and did the tune today and put the filters on. As you guys can see, Ian's going ahead and slapping everything back on, putting everything back into place. We're gonna go ahead and put the wheels on. Just like last week, we told Tabby he'd have his wheels and suspension on. This week, we promised him the tune, the filters, and the exhaust system. As you can see, it's Friday. We have everything already slapped on for him. So when he gets here, we're gonna go ahead and take it for a spin so you guys can hear how it sounds from the inside. Can't wait for you guys to hear it. First time actually working in the shop.
Got his white shoes on.
That's the original candidate right here. Watch every shoes and
Hey, gotta make it happen, baby. CEO life.
You're the Rippler, G.
No, leave it open.
Did you man? Fucking chill, whatever. You're gonna hang out there like, here are the keys. The only reason I didn't get a nose is they didn't have a ring big enough for my nose.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive. Tabby's definitely gonna love it. Sounds amazing, I love it. Definitely love it with the valves open, but for everyday driving, we'll definitely leave them closed, guys. Thing sounds like an F1 vehicle. I know Tabby's gonna be happy once he comes and picks it up, which he's actually on his way to come pick it up now, so. Definitely love the way it came out. You can feel the tune kicked in, so a lot of power in it. Sounds amazing, drives beautiful. Can't complain. I know he's gonna be very excited with it. Yo, I swear to God, I thought I was getting pulled over. I was like, there's no way.
Oh shit.
Yeah, this guy's lost. Literally. Yo, I thought I was gonna get pulled over there, guys. I guess it's too loud. So we're gonna go ahead and shut the valves off.
Well, there goes another stretch of fence.
Caught some rain, as you guys can see, but We made it worth it, guys.